Morning everyone, what a night. It was hot and very noisy with the highway in the back. I prefer a campground in the mountain where it's colder. But anyway, I'm gonna get ready, get a hot shower at the campground here, and then I'll get on my way for section 12, which looks like this. So this is section 12. It goes from I am here today in Barstow, and I'm going to go to Baker and still stay in California. But before that, I'm gonna have a delicious breakfast. Yeah, so I'll talk to you later. Meep, meep. It's 11:20, late start, but I was able to change my oil, and I was due. So anyway, on my way now, and it's going to be hot, so better fill up with water. So I didn't do that for quite a while, but I'm gonna have to air down the tires. The sand is getting pretty deep, so let's do it. It's hot. This is quite a intense section here. I'm in the deep sand, so I have to keep my keep the speed up, but not too fast, because you have ditches and rocks that come out of nowhere, and then I have to look on the GPS at the same time so I don't go off route. So, and in the meantime I'm making a video, so yeah, pretty intense. So I'll go back to driving. So yeah, there is that, and I just checked the depth. It's pretty deep. That's how it looks like next to the tire. So I don't know if you can see the mark on the stick here, but it's pretty much all the way up here. So the tires are like way underneath the water, and I checked, halfway. I didn't even go all the way through, and there was like one spot or two. So I am not going through that, so I will backtrack, try another way. And I am done for the day, and I found this beautiful campground. What a change compared to yesterday. Let me show you around. Yep, and all that just for me. So really quiet, beautiful, and it's not hot, so I should sleep better. So time to eat, and I will talk to you tomorrow morning. Good night.